Here's something that will get the attention of travelers. Airfares this fall are expected to fall a lot. That's according to researchers who track how much it costs to fly. And while this is good news if you're booking a flight, it's not great news if you own airline stocks. Phil LeBeau has more.
If you're packing your bags for a trip this fall, you might have a little extra money to spend when you take off. That's the prediction of the travel website Hopper, which expects domestic fares to drop more than 8% through October. It's the continuation of a trend the industry has seen over the last 3 years, as domestic airfares have steadily declined, hitting an average of $232 for a round-trip ticket in July. Why are fares falling? Partially because airlines have added more seats on more routes, so there's plenty of capacity. And airlines will drop ticket prices to keep those seats filled, especially in the fall, which is traditionally one of the slowest seasons for travel. Another factor is the drop in jet fuel prices. That allows carriers to lower fares but still make a profit. But this trend is not good for airlines. Passenger revenue per available seat mile, a primary factor investors use to gauge the growth of airlines, has been down for most of the last year. As a result, investors have not been excited about airline stocks, and they've lagged the market overall.
While everyone enjoys a good fare sale, not every flight will feature lower ticket prices. If you're booking a trip to a popular destination at a popular time, say Labor Day weekend, you may not see much of a discount. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Phil LeBeau, Chicago.